This is a technique my old sketch comedy group Kingmaker used to use to generate ideas for our sketches. It's inspired by something my friend Andrew told me based on an interview with Nick Kroll and John Mulaney. I've never read the interview, however, so let's call it the Kingmaker Technique. Here's what you're going to need: a pad of paper, a writing implement, a timer, a random word generator, about half an hour. I do this by hand because I find it's easier to let ideas flow when I'm writing by hand. Others might find it easier to type. Sit in a position that's comfortable to write in. Get a glass of water, maybe some coffee, do your thing. When you're ready to get started, initiate your random word generator. I use wordcounter.net or my analog story cubes, both linked in the description below. Alternatively, you could flip through a book and find a word at random. However you do it, once you have your random word, set a timer for a minute and start writing things that jump into your mind based off that word. They could be sentences, sentence fragments, premises, stories, whatever comes to mind. At the end of the minute, get a new random word and do it all again. Do this 30 times. It can be slow starting, but allow yourself to write down bad ideas. You simply need to get going. Once you allow yourself to write whatever comes to mind, you will achieve a flow state where ideas flow with ease. Don't worry if you don't achieve that flow state right away. Just keep writing. When you're done, take a sip of your beverage. Relax your hand. Now it's time for the fun part. I typically do this with a writing partner, but I have done it alone as well. Go through all the ideas you wrote down one by one and see if any of them have potential. In this exercise, I'll typically write anywhere from 30 to 80 ideas and walk away with around 10 that I think have potential. And there you have it, the Kingmaker Technique. If you found this helpful, like the video and comment an idea you had while using this technique. Thanks. See you next time.